Okay, so last time we discussed about the topic array. Now today we are having the topic anatomy of NumPy array. Anatomy means some words we are using and how they are working. What's their definition? We'll discuss here. Now the first word is axis. Number of dimension of an array is called axis. You know that axis, number of dimension of an array. Let's see an example here. If we have an array that is suppose its name is L, so here we are having the elements list 1 2 3 4 elements are there, but only single row, so its axis is 0. So the one dimensional array which has only one row, like that one two dimensional array, so it is axis 1 and it is axis 0, means rows are there, then it is axis 0, and columns are there, it is axis 1. So two dimensional array that has 2 rows and 4 columns in this. Okay, so this is also called axis. So here first axis 0, then for rows, and axis 1 for columns, as we already discussed about that one. Now the student axis always numbered with 0. What we are giving the axis always with 0 for ND array. The second point is rank. Rank, the number of axes in ND array are called rank. Now the third point is shape. SHAP, shape. So what it is a shape means, I have an example here. 2 rows are there, and then 1 2 3 4 columns are there. So here 2 rows and 4 columns. So its shape will be 2 into 4, 2 rows into 4 columns. Number of elements 8. So 2 comma 4 is the shape. 2 comma 4 is the shape of this array. Okay, now to this one, this will be in the round. Okay, because in square bracket we always define array. So let's see an example here. A1 is the name of variable. In this variable we are going to store array elements, and it's 1D and it's 1D, so it's 2D arrays there and 8 elements are there. Now I'm putting this one a1 dot save, so its answer is 2 comma 4. So you understand, students? Next point is data type. So data type generally called D type. What it is called? D type. See that here the data type and item size are related. The item size as per data type means data type and item size both are related to each other. Let's see an example here. The data type is integer 16. What is the data type? Integer 16. So its size will be 16 is divided by 8 equals to 2 byte. Means if we are giving the data type integer 16, then its size will be 2 byte. Like that, when we are having another things here, if we are having 8 integer 8, then 1 byte, integer 16, then 2 byte, integer 32, then 4 byte, integer 64, then 8 byte, integer 128, then 16 byte. Okay, so clear the concept here. Now the second, first we want to know that which data type it is. So we are giving a1 dot d type, a1 dot d type, so its answer is integer 16. And here we are having the a1 dot item size. What we are doing? Item size. So its size is 2 byte, because integer 16 is divided by 8, and then it's 2 byte. Answer is there. Yeah. Okay, now with the example we are going to understand about Python list and DRI. Student, we are having the a1, and in this a1 on the second position to the fourth position, means you know that array always run n minus 1, so it will represent only second and third position On second and third position we are giving 5. कितना दे रहा हूँ -5. Okay, so its answer will be on 0 on one index there is nothing, but on index number second and index number third it has 5 and 5, because what है again from second index to fourth, so n minus 1 कितना हुआ थर्ड होगा, तो second and third क्या देना हमें -5 देना है, so ये -5 and -5. okay, so and in ND array अगर हम ऐसा लिखते हैं इसके अंदर L is the name of list. Okay, sorry, this array list, and we are going to colon 4, then we are giving 5, so there will be an error. Okay, and like that one, if we are going to this is this list. Okay, so in list we are going to add 2, list plus 2, then it will give an array in the list, while in ND array means even is our array and we are going to add 2 over there, so it will add 2. This answer is added 2 in every element. Let's see that A1 store कर रहा है आपका 1 2 3 4, and 1 2 3 are going to store in A1, and in A1 you are going to plus 2. What are you doing? Plus 2. So 1 plus 3 2 3, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 2 5. So this is the answer. This is the answer. But in list it can't be possible. Students, accept that. Now the data types. Different data types we are having, like NumPy data types. And that first we have bool. But this is generally called boolean. This is generally called boolean, and boolean is 0 or 1, true or false. This is called boolean. Now the integer, so in integer we are having integer 8, 16, 32, 64 and 128, and in integer the next one is u int. U means unsigned. U stands for unsigned. U stands for unsigned. So this is signed and this is unsigned. Unsigned means that can use maximum size. This will use maximum size, and this will use only fixed size. So integer will use fixed size and u int will use maximum size. Then we are having float. So in float also 16, 32 and this one. Then complex number. Complex number, mix of any two. Mix of any two data type. Okay, mix of any two data type. It's called complex, and in this we are having 64, 128. Okay, now the next one is a string. Next one is a string. String means fixed length string type. Okay, if we are giving then string a is the string, so its size is 5, then the size will be 5 only. Okay, we will put only 5 characters over there. Then Unicode. Uni stands for universal. Uni stands for universal code, and universal code that can change every language according to the user's choice. So this is also fixed. Then other student, next thing that is creating ND array, means how we are creating the ND array. So for that, first of all, because we studied that there is a different type of arrays. So first array is 1D array. Which one? 1D array. In 1D array we are using first array function. Now let's see the syntax of array. Name of the function is array. These are function operator. Okay, the syntax is, first of all we have to give the name of variable, and this assignment operator, which operator, this is assignment operator. Then np numpy dot array, so this is the array function that from numpy library, and argument list. Argument list means object list what we are giving here, and the data type. what data type we are going to define. Now one example here, rnd array1 is the name of variable, and np.array we are going to store array type, and we are having the value 2, 5.2, 1.0. so these values will be stored in the an array. Okay, so next thing we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.